What's up everyone, how are you? Hope you're fine now friends. Once again in this video I'm talking about the Bittorrent token. What's the current price of Bittorrent token? What's the price change occur in the Bittorrent token? In this video I will show you friends the latest update of 27 May. What's the current price and what's going on in this time in a Bittorrent token, and what is the next move of Bittorrent token we try to detect. Anyways, before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to please subscribe now AB's Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, my friends. Let's check it out. The current price of the Bittorrent token 0.004266 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the BTT Bittorrent token, friends. And same like that, my friends, if we look the price changes occur in the Bittorrent token, so absolutely my friends, from the last 1 week the Bittorrent has started moving upward and the prices only goes upward. I'm very excited to see the Bittorrent token price change occur in the absolutely I'm very happy. I can't believe that it is a Bittorrent token or it is a Shiba token or it is a Dogecoin token. The Bittorrent token gave you a very high profit in the last half this month, friends. Wait for the BTT price to the 2 days, friends. Sale if you are a holder of Bittorrent token. So if you are in the profit this time, so my prediction, my suggestion for all of you is that get sell your BTT and the last half this month on 30 May, on 31 May. That is the perfect date to sell, my friends. Anyways, if you want to long-term invest in a BTT, so absolutely it's a 100% good idea for you, because if you hold for a long time, so you can get a high profit from the BTT. Because you can see the last 1 week pricing is going positive, so that's mean that the BTT goes upward gradually. Let's see, my friends, the price chart, what's going on in the BTT. You can see here, my friends, absolutely the previous whole month the price of BTT is fast down. You can see here now on the chart the price is very badly fast down, friends. But if you look the latest last 1 week price changes occur in the BTT, so absolutely you can see here that is clear to everyone that they gradually start moving upward. But remember, my friends, maybe they fast down for a little time, maybe they fast down for a 1 hour, so don't worry. Because it is due to the end of month. In the end of month, especially short-term investor going to sell BTT token, so that is why the price is fast down for a little time, for 1 hour, for 2 hour. So don't worry about that. If you are a long-term investor, hold and be safe from those. I hope that this decision will be helpful for everyone to hold and don't decide to sell at this time. But if you are a long-term investor and if you are a short-term investor, so personally I suggest for everyone to sell in the end of month and on 30 May, friends. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction? Share in the comment box, and hope you like this latest news of 27 May of BTT. Subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates.